Hi, good afternoon and welcome to the new video from Convoy Cars. A new day, a new product. Today we're looking at a 2010 Volkswagen Polo 1.2 Petrol Highline. Single hand driven, single owner, 72,000 kilometers clocked. This is, I call as a pocket rocket. Both the front headlamps and fog lamps are absolutely clean and clear, as you can see. The bonnet is original, the grille is original. The bumper touch-up has been done by me. I'm giving you the exterior walk around right now so you can see what all scratches and dents the car has got. So on the right side there are no dents, no scratches. The car is clean. On the bumper there were a few scratches. We've gone ahead and done the touch-ups. So the bumper is also clean now. Headlamps and fog lamps are already good. The left profile of the car again is scratch free and dent free. This comes fully loaded with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, electric rear glass defogger, leather finish seat covers, all 4 power windows, power steering, good air conditioning and integrated music system, rear glass wiper. As you can see, the left side tail lamp is good, clean and clear. However, the right side is hazy, so there's some water seeping into the right side tail lamp. So we can get this fixed or we can replace it. Not an expensive part, about 1500 rupees for one tail lamp, so that's okay. The rear bumper is absolutely fine. The dicky has got minor dents, which are wavy kind of dents, which are not visible directly, but on a particular angle you can see them. The exterior of the car overall I would rate is 8 on 10. It's a good looking, beautiful, hot hatchback. We'll now go inside the car, take a look at the interiors. We've just got the interior cleaning done and the interiors are absolutely flawless. Beautiful dashboard, steering wheel. The door trim, beige and black, looks really classy. Overall a premium hatchback feel in the vehicle. These are the leather finished seat covers, which are really good in condition, no damages to it. The roof lining is original from the factory and absolutely clean, no stains, no damages on it. The interior of the car is really good, I would say 10 on 10. We will now take it for a spin. Turn down the air conditioning. So there's this inspection that is coming because the service of the vehicle is due. So that's the regular servicing which is due for the car. And the ABS light is flashing because one of the ABS sensors must be faulty, which we can fix for you. Hardly costs about 2000 rupees. The kilometers on the car are 72,620. This is the integrated music system. This is the air conditioning control panel. This is the handbrake, a cup holder for the rear passenger, 2 cup holders here for the front passengers. The AC is really good. Now taking it ahead for a test drive. This is a 1.2 liter petrol, delivers about 13 in city, about 16-17 on highways. Good fuel efficient, yet really peppy and powerful. The engine is quite silent. The suspensions are the best I would call till date on any Polo that I've driven. There's no suspension noise, there's no suspension repair that is required by the car. The engine, the clutch is absolutely smooth. The acceleration of the car is great. Overall a very good feel. Pretty peppy and pretty peppy and zippy for city drives. And it's a fun to drive car. I am enjoying driving this. I would request you to come and take a test drive of this vehicle at Navi, Mumbai. And you can feel free to contact me on 9768 001 006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. and the price of the car is 2,45,000. Once again, 2010 Volkswagen Polo Highline 1.2 Petrol, single owner. Insurance, I suppose, is not there. 72,000 kilometers done. The tire condition of the car is 60% plus. The body condition is 8 on 10. The engine, suspensions and drive quality of the car is 10 on 10. And the price of the car is 2,45,000. Once again, 9768-001-006 is my number. Feel free to reach me on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.